everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is a mini grow haul. I have so much cleaning to do. I feel like I haven't really cleaned my house in like a month just because of the holidays and everything. So I am really raring it to get in here and clean. But first I just want to go over a couple things that I got from Grove. I think that will kind of motivate me to get started with my cleaning. You'll see a bunch of cleaning videos coming up. Don't worry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up here. So I got about 8 items. But I will show you. I know I have a couple gifts in here too. So, all right. First things first, I went back to my favorite method cleaning spray, lime and sea salt. I have tried, I think, almost every one, and this is just my favorite. I love this one. So, got some more of that. Decided to just get a refill of the Method hand soap in the waterfall. This is going to be for our master bedroom. I love this color. So it's probably one of my favorite colors. Waterfall scent is a really nice one. So I'm going to be putting that in our master bathroom. I decided to get 2 more of these glass bottles for our master bathroom. I think it'll look really nice in there. I think it's just a nice little touch to have in there. We're adults now, and I think it's okay to have a nice hand soap dispenser. I don't know, call me crazy. So I got 2 of these. So that will be in our master bathroom. And here's the other one. And my hair today, you guys, it's raining, so it's like all crazy funky, you know? My last Grove video haul, I did try out these wipes. They're by Alba Botanica, and they are a 3-in-1 clean towelette. So they remove your makeup, they cleanse, and they tone, and I really like these. I think the last one, after that first order, they ran out. They had them back, and now I can use them again. Okay. This is very well wrapped. Wow. Okay, and then they taped it, so. This is just some lavender essential oil. We use this in our diffuser. It's relaxing, and every night we use this lavender. It's really nice, so I had to get more of that. This was a gift. This was actually my 1-year anniversary with them, and they sent me this mint and argan lip balm with hydrating chia seed oil. It is winter and my lips are getting super dry, so this is perfect. Oh, that's nice. They were really dry. That's great. Thank you. Okay. So lastly, they sent this for free, the little Grove cleaning patty. This will be perfect to use wherever. Everything that I use to keep all my cleaning products are from the Dollar Tree, so it's actually really nice to have a metal one. Here's the front of it. So yeah, that was a free item as well. That is it. It was a very small shipment, but I thought I would show you just to get me ready to go to deep clean this house. Oh man, it really needs it. I will have a link down below if you want to try Grove out. They always have some kind of deal for new customers. Been with them for over a year now, and I'm always really happy with their service and everything, and they have some great new products coming out. If you enjoyed this haul, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these hauls. I usually order something every month. If you want me to continue to make these videos, let me know down below. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm very social on there. I will leave that right here. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you hit that red subscribe button so that way you do not miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!